Hey, are you ready to go?
Yeah, let me just finish this level of Candy Crush first.
We have to go. We're gonna be late.
Almost done.
Let's go.
Fine.
Amaya, what are you doing?
Playing Candy Crush.
Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Because I am playing Candy Crush.
Well, wearing a seatbelt reduces serious crash-related injuries and deaths by half.
Yes, but...
Of the people your age that got into a car crash and have died, 55% were not wearing seatbelts.
But...
And of those people who did not wear a seatbelt, only 4,000 people were not injured.
Okay, but...
And it has been proven that seatbelts save at least 1,500 lives a year.
I know. It's just that we haven't even left the driveway yet.
Accidents can happen to anyone at any time.
Fine. I will put on my seatbelt.
Okay.
Wow, this seatbelt really saved my life.
You're welcome.